name is Miss Finer, and today we'll be learning how to calculate the volume of a cylinder. Throughout this lesson, you will need a calculator, scrap piece of paper, pencil, and your formula sheet. Please remember, when solving problems, to show all your work and circle your final answer before moving on. We are going to explore how to find the volume of a cylinder, but first, what is a cylinder? A cylinder is a three-dimensional figure with two parallel congruent circular bases connected by a curved surface. To find the volume, we measure the space occupied by a solid. The formula you will be using is V equals pi r squared h. You may use the 3.1 or the pi button on your calculator. R represents the radius, which will be squared, and the h is the height of the cylinder. You will find the radius and height right on the image. For example, if you have a cylinder with a height of 10 inches and a radius of 5 inches, you will use these numbers in the formula to find the volume. Let's try. V equals pi times 5 squared times 10. When you plug it into your calculator, you should round the number to the nearest tenth to get 392.7 inches cubed. Every time you find the volume, remember to include the units cubed with your answer. You will have the opportunity to practice finding the volume of the cylinder to better understand the concept. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use your online textbook to prepare for our Chapter 8 test. The first step, I want you to go to Newtown Middle School website. Once you get there, click Staff. Once you click Staff, locate my name at the bottom. Once you get there, click LS Math. To access the student textbook, click on the picture below. If you are someone who forgets their username and password, look at the bottom. Your username is going to be CR with your lunch number. Your password is CRSD with your lunch number. Make sure your C is capitalized in your password and RSD is lowercase. Once you're ready, click on Connect Ed and enter your username and password. When you log in, you will see your textbooks for this year. Click on your math textbook. Once your math textbook uploads, click and find Unit Chapter 8 Volume and Surface Area. Once you go there, go to the next column and click Chapter Review. I want you to click the red check mark. It will bring you to the chapter test practice. I want you to click it. It will have another pop-up. You need to go through and answer all 14 questions. If you need help on any questions, make sure you click Need a Hint. Read what it says, close the tab, and then proceed to answer the questions. You may take this test as many times as you need to prepare for your Chapter 8 test you will have in the future. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask me. After this lesson, you should be able to find the volume of a cylinder. To recap, volume is the measure of the space occupied by a solid. A cylinder is a 3D figure. The formula to find the volume is V equals pi r squared h. Always remember, your answer will always include units cubed.